Welcome back, or welcome to another video of Shayla's World. If you haven't already hit that red subscribe button, turn your personal kiss on. What are you doing? Why you hit that like button, comment some nice in the comment section down below. And let's get straight into this video. The day I'm filming this video, it is June 23rd. The day the video goes out on YouTube is June 29th. June 29th is almost the last day of this month. So July 6th through the 10th, I'm going to be going to Florida. So, you need to come pack with me. And I'm going to pack a little bit early because I don't need to wait last minute and forget anything. So, I'm going to be packing first for the Florida trip. And I need to get my suitcase out. It's in this closet, but I really don't want to pull it out, bro. Because that's a lot. Because where am I supposed to put it after I finish packing? I got my suitcase. Oh, I don't need this. I do need this. I thought I was going to be bringing, but I'm going to need more room. And I had all my clothes in here, so I need to take them out. I was about to say, where's my outfit to go with this? I'm going to show y'all what I got. Some of this stuff is from Shein. This is the purse I got. Well, yeah, it's like a little small handbag to go with this outfit that I got. I thought it was a cute outfit to go together. I already tried these clothes on, so I really don't want to try them on. But I got this. It's like a jumper, a romper, wherever it's called. I don't know what it's called, but it's a romper, and this is cute. And I want to get some like white sandals to go with this. And this goes with it. It says Saved by God? No, Saved by Grace. And it's kind of off the shoulder shirt because it got this little thing on it. But I already tried it on. This is what it looks like. A jean skirt. It's very long. I tried the outfit on. I thought it was cute, but I don't know where I'm wearing this to until.
I know you want me every day, not only when you're lonely. Yeah, you see, you think you know me, but you don't even know nothing about me. Yeah, you see my thick thighs, lost when you look into my brown eyes. You see my little ways can make you switch sides. You never know the devil in a disguise, so why don't you stand up, baby? And tell me, do you want me on top? So let me show you
So I'm back, and I forgot to show y'all one thing else that I got from Shein. I got this bathing suit from Shein. I like the package. That's the only reason I kept it. But it's a two-piece. I know. I got this like blue print.
Whenever I see bad mind, before you come my way, make sure you think twice. Look into my eyes, but I can never see eyes. I can point a gun, but you know I could never lie. Come through, I can show you something you can run to. When I'm finished, you'll be feeling brand new. Will never be somebody you can run through. And I can put that in my life one time, no care, big five, so that catch feels, get high. If you make it better, then you can lie. Just please don't waste my time. Be honest, you want this, but I can be heartless, regardless of my conscience. Be honest, you want this, but I can be heartless, regardless of my conscience.
People they talk their majesty about the way your body twisting. Make me lose control in a this thing, boy. And it's all because I'm thinking of us. Don't go throw me under the bus. Under respect, I'm under your love.
the mess I got going on right now. A mess. On to the biggest thing I have to do. So, all of this stuff that's in this corner, really, like all this, I have to pack. It don't seem like a lot. Let me show y'all. All of that, except for that box, don't mind that box. But all of this is like stuff behind it. I gotta move this box to get to my stuff. So this is a medical program at I'm going to Johns Hopkins. And we have to be on campus for 2 weeks. So really 10 days, but 2-week program. So we're gonna need bedding, pillow, all that stuff. So I have a lot. All these bags right here and stuff are mine. I gotta move this big box, bruh. It's too heavy to be moving. This not mine. Suitcase out. I like my suitcase. If you watch my other video where I what was it titled? Something about shopping, summer shopping or shopping spree. It was shopping for my medical trip. I tried to like get everything in that one video. I need to just wipe this off. It's been sitting over that corner, in that corner since I bought it.
Niggas been counting me out. I'm counting my bullets, I'm loading my clips. I'm writing down names, I'm making a list. I'm checking it twice and I'm getting them hit. The real ones been dying, the fake ones is lit. The game is off balance, I'm back on my shit. The Bentley is dirty, my sneakers is dirty, but that's how I like it. You all on my dick, I'm all in my bag. It's harder to get. I do not throw powder, I might take a sip. I might hit the blunt, but I'm liable to trip. I ain't popping no pill, but you do as you wish. I roll with some fiends, I love them to death. I got a few mil, but not all of them rich. What good is the bread if my niggas is broke? What good is first class if my niggas can't sit? That's my next mission, that's why I can't quit. Just like LeBron, get my niggas more chips. Just put the rollie right back on my wrist. This watch came from Drizzy, he gave me a gift. Back when the rap game was praying like this. To act like two legends cannot coexist. But I never beef with a nigga for nothing. If I smoke a rapper, it's gonna be legit. It won't be for clout, it won't be for fame. It won't be cause my shit ain't selling the same. It won't be to sell you my latest little sneakers. It won't be cause some niggas slid in my lane. Everything grows, it's destined to change. I love you little niggas, I'm glad that you came. I hope that you scrape every dollar you gain. I hope you know money won't erase the pain. To the OGs, I'm thinking you now. Was watching you when you was paving the ground. I copied your cadence, I mirrored your style. I studied the grace, I'm the greatest right now. Fuck if you feel me, you ain't got a choice. I ain't do no promo, still made all that noise. This shit gon' be different, I set my intentions. I promise to slap all that hate out your voice. Niggas been counting me out, I'm counting my bullets, I'm loading my clips. I'm writing down names, I'm making a list. I'm checking it twice and I'm getting them hit. The real ones been dying, the fake ones is lit. The game is off balance, I'm back on my shit. The Bentley is dirty, my sneakers is dirty, but that's how I like it, you all on my dick. I just poured something in my cup. I've been wanting something I can feel. Promise I am never letting up. Money in your palm don't make you real. Put it on their neck, I got them stuck. I'ma give them something they can feel. If it ain't about the swat, I don't give a fuck. Pistol in your hand, I'm dead in the middle of 2 generations. I'm little bro and big bro all at once. Just left the lab with young 21 Savage. I'm about to go and meet Chica for lunch. Had a long talk with the young nigga Kodak. Reminded me of young niggas from Phil. Straight out the project, no faking, just honest. I wish that he had more guidance for real. Too many niggas in cycle of jail, spending their birthdays inside of a cell. We coming from a long bloodline of trauma. We raised by our mamas, Lord, we gotta heal. We hurting our sisters, the baby.
Don't mind the TV in the back, but it's like 2 days later, and I had to go find like a bag so I could put all my toiletries in, and I'm about to pack this is my medical trip bag, so I'm about to put all this stuff that's right here into this bag. I got this bag from Roses, and I got 2 of them, one for Florida trip and one for this trip. And this one says she has the girl boss hustle. My other one says like girls blessed, no, blessed all day or every day bag. It's very big, very spacious. So I'm about to show y'all. I think I already told y'all what I got, but I'm gonna just show y'all again. Dr. Bronner soap. I got my CeraVe face wash and moisturizer. I haven't used these, so these are new bottles. Ooh, this bag is spacious. It's got room for everything. Small thing of mouthwash, toothpaste. Where's my toothbrush? I bought a new toothbrush. Here it is. Toothbrush. I need to get a toothbrush cap. So I forgot once I open this, I need something to put it in. So I need to find a toothbrush cap or a toothbrush holder. I got my soap, bar soap, deodorant, shower cap. I got makeup wipes. Ooh, this bag just got so heavy real quick. Makeup wipes. This is actually a miniature deodorant to go in my purse that I'm supposed to be taking with me. I need to find me a small, like, black purse, elegant purse to put in there, but I haven't. I'm not gonna put my wipes in there. They can stay in the suitcase. I'm not gonna put my hair. But I don't know what's wrong with this. I'm not gonna put my hair gel in that bag either. In that bag, I plan to like wrap it in a warmer bag or something, just in case like the top or something might break, so I won't waste on my clothes and stuff. And then I got lotion, but my bag is it's heavy. Let's see if it can even fit. I don't want to break the bag. I just got the bag, bruh. I'm always coming on camera looking a hot mess. But last time I came on camera was like Thursday night. Yeah, Thursday evening. Tonight is Sunday night. I had an eventful weekend. So my room looks a mess and I didn't pack during the week. My room looks junky. I have clothes, like clean clothes I need to put up. Fold stuff all on my bed, cause today is Sunday night. Yesterday I had an all-day event, volunteering cheer event at the racetrack. It was very fun. Like, I was having the best time, even though it was like it was volunteering and doing work. I had fun doing it. But it lasted all day, and I came home. When I came home, I took a shower, went to sleep. I went to sleep. And then today I was supposed to go to church, but I didn't end up getting up on time because I slept. I just slept. So I need to pack because this video needs to come out on Wednesday, and it should be no problem for it to be coming out on Wednesday. And I'm going to be repacking my Florida trip bag, because I have this small bag, the suitcase I was going to take, but my mama had bought me these certain outfits that she wanted me to take to Florida with me, and I did not pack them.
I know you want me every day, not only when you're lonely. Yeah, you see, you think you know me, but you don't even know nothing about me. Yeah, you see my thick thighs, lost when you look into my brown eyes. You see my little ways can make you switch sides. You never know the devil in a disguise, so why don't you stand up, baby? And tell me, do you want me on top? So let me show you, I don't need to back it up. Don't wanna hold you more, just slow, just split you in half in my heart. I just wanna love on you, trust in you, honor you, please do the same on your part. Be honest, you want this, but I can be heartless, regardless of my conscience.
So I just packed once again, and I ended up taking 2 outfits out because I didn't really need all those outfits. And then the outfit I said that my mom got me, I couldn't find the shirt, and so I just put it back. Like I showed y'all the pants, but I couldn't find the shirt that she got to go with it. So I ended up not taking it. And I'm not taking big size products with me. So these are the products I'm taking. Dr. Bronner's soap, my face wash, my moisturizer, AM moisturizer, PM moisturizer, and my sunscreen. All these little miniature ones are from my doctor's office, my dermatologist. And then toothpaste. And I'm not going to pack my toothbrush yet. But I am almost done packing this not medical bag, my Florida, and then tomorrow morning I'll pack my medical bag, because my medical suitcase, my stuff from my medical program, my suitcase and stuff is up the hall.
I'm counting my bullets, I'm loading my clips, I'm writing down names, I'm making a list, I'm checking it twice and I'm getting them hit. The real ones been dying, the fake ones is lit. The game is off balance, I'm back on my shit. The Bentley is dirty, my sneakers is dirty, but that's how I like it. You all on my dick, I'm all in my bag, it's harder to get. I do not store powder, I might take a sip, I might hit the blunt, but I'm liable to trip. I ain't popping no pill, but you do as you wish. I roll with some fiends, I love them to death. I got a few mil, but not all of them rich. What good is the bread if my niggas is broke? What good is first class if my niggas can't sit? That's my next mission, that's why I can't quit. Just like LeBron, get my niggas more chips. Just put the rollie right back on my wrist. This watch came from Drizzy, he gave me a gift. Back when the rap game was spraying like this. To act like two legends cannot coexist. But I never beef with a nigga for nothing. If I smoke a rapper, it's gonna be legit. It won't be for clout, it won't be for fame. It won't be cause my shit ain't selling the same. It won't be to sell you my latest little sneakers. It won't be cause some niggas slid in my lane. Everything grows, it's destined to change. I love you little niggas, I'm glad that you came. I hope that you scrape every dollar you gain.
So you guys, I finished packing all of my bags. My Florida bag is right here. My medical trip bag is this bag, and then my clothes are my professional attire clothes are in my dress bag. I brought all my stuff up the hall so I have some room in my room, so I can have some area space in my room. But bruh, I'm tired. It's now 12 o'clock. I started at 12. And I need something to eat. But you have made it to the end of the video. I hope that you enjoyed today's video. If you haven't already, hit that red subscribe button and turn your post notifications on. What are you doing? While you're at it, hit that like button, comment something nice in the comment section down below. And I will see you guys in my next video. And in a few more days, I will be going to Florida. Too excited.